LunaH-Map is about going to construction. We've completed all of our design and working on our assembly and integration plans. And at this point, we're going to be assembling the prototype, and then we'll be moving down into the clean room where we can start building the actual spacecraft.
This is the payload. This is kind of like the science mission that we're going for. It's the mini-NS, or mini neutron spectrometer. And how it works is it detects neutrons coming off of the surface. And we'll use that data to tell whether there's hydrogen, and we kind of use that as a measure of how much water ice is in the lunar South Pole.
The model really made a big difference in the design because we were able to see and evaluate how the size and the mass was going to affect the final outcome.
There's a lot of things that we have to work through as a team that a lot of other teams don't have to deal with. So bigger satellites, there's more space to do things. So here we don't have a lot of space for wiring. Our structure's pretty compact, as you can see. So me and some of the structures team, we all have to work through how we're going to fit these somewhat larger wires into this little tiny little cereal box, basically.
This box right here is the XP150. It's going to do our position tracking, our attitude adjustments, and our command and data handling. So it's kind of like the brains of the spacecraft.
The size stayed the same, but we were able to reduce the mass enough to make sure that we stayed in the specifications required. Even though it was just a small amount, difference in weight makes a big difference.
And this is our propulsion system, which is a gridded ion thruster called the Bit 3. And it's super low thrust. It's like the equivalent thrust of dropping a piece of paper on your hand. So while it took Apollo about 3 days to get to the moon, it's going to take us something around 10 months. Even though it's low thrust, it's very high ISP, so it's very fuel efficient, so we can use less mass and still get there.
When we get to the moon, we want to make sure that we're fully prepared. So it is very groundbreaking in the fact that we just have to do what we think is best and learn from it and make adjustments as we go.